For some reason, I think I'm starting in breakfast, but I love breakfast. So thanks to the folks at Kiss Enriched Butter Bread, I'm going to be doing a real cool sandwich. I'm also in meatless mode. So I'm not just in breakfast mode, I'm in meatless mode for the show. So I am going to be actually doing a cool sandwich called a panini. What is a panini? Basically 2 slices of bread. There are those fancy panini machines that you can squash the sandwich and get lovely grill marks and lovely flavor on the ends of the bread. I don't have one of those fancy machines, but you can still do a panini at home. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. Using Kiss, this is the perfect bread for it. Lovely Kiss butter bread, nice milky butter bread. So I'm just going to get 2 nice slices here and I'm going to start to build my panini. So what type of panini I'm doing? A roasted vegetable panini. No meat. Some people want to come off the meat a little, so I'm doing meatless dishes. And all I did, guys, I have some melon, some mushrooms, some peppers. You can get red, yellow, green, whatever type of peppers. I got some lovely yellow peppers that I'm using, and some onions. Mixing a little bit of oil, just tossing a little bit of oil, salt, pepper, roast in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you get it looking nice. It intensifies the flavor of the vegetables. And lovely vegetables. So I'm going to use some vegetables and some cheese, and I'm going to do a real simple sandwich. This is some olive oil. I really just want a little drizzle of olive oil on the sandwich, just for that little flavor. You can use butter here if you wish as well, but hey, olive oil gives it that nice, rich sort of olive oil loveliness that you get. So you can now flip this and start building a sandwich. I like a little mustard on this. Really just a little dab of mustard on either side. It gives it that little tartiness. Remember, no meat in the sandwich, but you have some lovely vegetables. If you're a meat mouth like me, you gotta compensate, you know. So just a little mustard. Nothing fancy, nothing overdone. And then you start building your sandwich. So I'm going first with some melon, bygone, nice layer. Then I go with some peppers. Mushrooms. So you really just, once you roast your veggies, guys, everything else is so simple just to build. A little sprinkling of onions, and I have some sliced cheese that I just want to get on top of there. So it looks like a nice tall heaping sandwich. Check it out. The good thing about this now, I'm going to get my fire on, get my pot, start to get my pot nice and hot. And I want to just rest this bad boy straight there. Olive oil side down. The trick with it now is that you take a nice heavy set pan and drop him on it. So no fancy panini machine required. Normally the panini machine, you will crank it down and it seals the sandwich in. It's a beautiful sandwich. I just want to apply some pressure and allow the olive oil to do its thing below, give it that lovely flavor, get the cheese melted, everything kind of combined nicely in the sandwich with the roasted veg. So you can use meat here as well, huh? You can use ham, turkey, some of the more popular paninis out there. All right, guys, I think I'm ready for the flip. So you just remove the pan. That's what you're looking for, that nice golden brown color. And you basically do the same thing on the other side. Just press it down, gentle press, make sure everything is sealed in there for another minute or 2 on that side. This is just about it. So all I want to do here now is to get a nice bread knife down the middle. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All that vegginess, cheesiness. Yeah. So I want to serve Sackie this up. So I'm so happy, guys, to have one of the bright young artists here on the show with me today. He gave us a perfect lose weight program. No gym required. All you need is a cell phone. Ladies and gentlemen, one of my favorite artists for 2022. Please welcome Sackie!
Hey, greetings, Capacho, hey Sackie. If you want to, if you want to, I know I'll go through for only 1 for 2. If you want to lose weight, go through my phone. If you want to lose weight, go through my phone. If you want to lose weight, go through my phone. If you want to lose weight, if you want to lose weight, she asks who is Carlene. I don't know Marlene, I don't know Charlene, I don't know. None of them just go through phone. Kelly, I don't know Nelly, I don't know Shirley, I don't know. But you got them man be going fucking right, deep in the fucking right.
Hey, when I tell you, when I first heard this song, I said, but what is man singing? Yeah. And then I saw him perform it. And it became my favorite song for 2022. Sackie, have a seat, brother.
No problem, man.
Have a seat. So glad you're here.
This?
Please sample my panini. Have you ever had a panini before?
I had a panini, but the cheese alone.
Right. So you could add things to panini. So you see, lovely roasted vegetables, roasty vegetables.
Like Greenland.
I normally eat plenty meat. You see, so you see.
I say use it for them, not for me. I like my belly button.
Sample it for me. You didn't know veggies could taste so good, huh?
What to do?
Eat again. Eat again. While Sackie eating again, we taking a break and we coming back. We want to thank the folks at Kiss for making it possible, guys. Nice. You see how Sackie biting into it? The Kiss butter bread, milky, lovely for a panini. Try it, guys. We coming right back. Get the recipe on Capacho Caribbean.